Hi students, good evening to one and all. Now welcome back our favorite video channel SGVS. This is B Ramesh Kumar. Today this time we have to discuss the topic pair of straight lines part 8. Now here first of all we have to discuss important formulas. After that we are going to the problems. Now in that the formula is distance between the pair of parallel lines. Distance between the pair of parallel lines. The pair of parallel lines. Here we have to discuss these concepts in non-homogeneous second degree equations. Now here consider the equation is ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. Now this represents a pair of straight lines. Then our condition is represents a pair of straight lines. A pair of straight lines. Then the condition is delta equal to determinant of AHG, HBF, GFC equal to 0. So this is the condition. Now here these lines are parallel lines. Now these pair of straight lines are parallel lines. Now here the condition is 2 into square root of g square minus ac by a into a plus b equals to 2 into square root of f square minus bc by b into a plus b. Now here we take one of the formula to find distance between the parallel lines. Now here this non-homogeneous second degree equation represents a pair of parallel lines. That means the pair of parallel lines means L1x plus M1y plus n equal to 0. Sorry, Lx plus My plus N1 equal 0. Lx plus My plus N2 equal 0. Now these two are parallel lines. Here we have to observe the coefficient of x and coefficient of y are same. That means here slopes of these two lines are always equal. Now here the slopes of these two lines m1 equal to m2 equals to minus L by m. Now this type of lines are called parallel lines. Here slopes are equal. Now this equation represents this type of equations, parallel lines. Then the condition is 2 into square root of g square minus ac by a into a plus b equal to 2 into square root of f square minus bc by b into a plus b. Now we have to take one of that formula, then find distance between the parallel lines. So this is one of the important formula. Similarly, the second formula, product of perpendicular lines. Product of perpendicular lines from the point alpha beta. From the point alpha beta. Equation ax square plus 2hxy by square equal to 0. Now product of perpendicular from point alpha beta to the given lines equal to, here we have to take generally d equals to mod a alpha square plus 2h alpha beta plus b beta square square root of a minus b whole square. So this formula for homogeneous. Now in that we have to take the same formula d equals to, here we have to substitute the point alpha beta in the given non-homogeneous second degree equation. Now we take a alpha plus 2h alpha beta plus b beta square plus 2g alpha plus 2f beta plus c whole by square root of a minus b whole square plus 4x square. Now we have to take in numerator modulus value. Now here we have to substitute in place of x and y the point alpha beta. In place of x and y we have to substitute the point alpha beta. Product of perpendicular from the alpha beta. Similarly here we have to take alpha beta equal to, in that alpha beta equal to 0 0. Alpha beta equals to 0 0. Now the formula can be reduced to the total value up to a alpha square alpha plus beta 2g alpha plus 2f beta. The total value equals to 0 because of alpha equal to beta equal to 0. Now this value always equals to 0. Only constant is there. Now we write here mod c by square root of a minus b whole square plus 4x square. So this is the product of perpendiculars from the origin to the given non-homogeneous second degree equation. So this is also one of the important formula. And also here we have to take one more formula, that is the third one. The product, if the pair of lines are equidistant from the origin, the pair of lines are equidistant from the origin. So now we have to take this xy plane. Now pair of lines from the origin. These are two pair of lines. That means this is ax square 2hxy 2gx plus 2fy. This is x axis, this is y axis. This is the point of intersection. We have to observe these two lines are equidistant from origin. Then the equidistant from the origin. Then the minus g power 4. Power 4 minus g power 4 equal to c into bf square minus ag square. Bf square ag square. Important formula. The pair lines square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2 plus equal 0 are equidistant from the origin. Then the condition is g power 4 c square minus a square. This is also important formula. And also the next formula, here we have to take the same non-zero equation represents pair of lines. Lines are intersecting lines. Here we have to observe these pair of lines are intersecting lines. The pair of intersecting lines. The pair of intersecting lines of. Now we have to take s equal to 0. S equal to 0. Now the square of the distance, to find the square of the distance of the point of intersection of the lines from the origin. Now here we have This is the point of. Now from the origin to the point of intersection. This is the distance from the origin to point of intersection. We have to observe this is the distance from the origin to the point of intersection of the intersecting ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal 0 is f square plus here distance from the distance of point of intersection of s equals 0 from origin is square root of f square g square by h square minus ab. The distance of point of intersection of the lines s equals 0 to from the origin is square root of f square plus g square by h square minus ab. Now one more formula is there, that is square root of f square plus g square by a square plus h square. f square plus g square by a square plus h square. This is also one more formula, and also similarly we have to take square root of f square plus g square by b square plus h square. Now these are the distance of point of intersection of the lines from the origin. So this is origin, this is the point of intersection is alpha beta. Now distance from origin to point is can be taken square root of f square plus g square by h square minus ab, or square root of f square plus g square by a square plus h square, or square root of f square plus g square by b square plus h square. This is also one more formula. Similarly, now here we have to observe these intersecting lines are perpendicular. Here we have to observe these lines are perpendicular lines. Now in the x square plus 2hxy plus by square 2fy plus c equals 0 represents a pair of perpendicular lines. Then the distance of origin is this one. Now here this is not perpendicular. Here we have to take intersecting lines, but the next form is perpendicular. So lines does not perpendicular. Then the distance of point of origin is square root of c a plus b to a square minus b whole ab square h square. The distance from the pair of intersecting lines the origin. So here, so these are very one more formula is there. So one more formula. That formula is area of the triangle. Area of the triangle. Here we take the pair of lines ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equals 0. This is combined equation of s equals 0. Now we have to take s equals 0. And these lines form one triangle with one line. So this line is Lx plus My plus N equals 0. So this line is y plus n equal 0. Now here the point of intersection of the lines is x1 y1. Here we take the combined lines. The point of intersection of the combined lines equals to x1 y1. Now here we have to observe area of the triangle. Generally we have to take this is A B C, triangle ABC equals to LX1 plus MY1 plus N whole square, LX1 plus MY1 plus N whole square into square root of H square minus AB, H square minus AB whole by AM square minus 2HLM plus BL square. AM square modulus of AM square minus 2HLM plus BL square, square units. Square units. So this is the area of the triangle. Now in homogeneous equation we have to take, this is the point of intersection of the given pair of lines equal to always 0 0. Now we have to take x1 y1 equal to 0 0. The remaining, the simplified value is only n. Now in that n square into square root of h square minus ab by m square minus 2HLM plus BL. Now in that we have to take the point of intersection of the given lines x1 y1 equal 0 0. Then it can be reduced to n square. But this is non-homogeneous. Then we take area of the triangle equals to LX1 plus 1 plus n. Here, first of all, we have to find point of intersection of the pair of intersecting lines. That is x1, y1. The point of intersection is x1, y1. Now, point x1, y1. Then to find area of the triangle is L1, LX1 plus my1 plus n. Now that point will be substituted the third side plus my plus n, that is lx1 plus my1 plus n whole square into square root of h square minus ab whole by mod am square minus 2hlm plus bl square. In that we have to take the point of intersection x1 y1 equal to 0 0, because this second degree non-homogeneous equation can be reduced to homogeneous equation. That means here this value will be equals to 0. Here only the second degree equation is x square plus 2hx plus by square. Now this pair of lines forms triangle with the third side lx plus my plus n equal to, then area of the triangle can be taken as n square into square root h square minus ab by mod m square minus 2hlm plus square units. So this is the formula for area of the triangle with second degree non-homogeneous equation third side or second degree homogeneous equation with third side lx plus my plus n equal to 0. And also similarly the next problem. Angular bisectors. Pair of angular bisectors. Pair of homogeneous equation we have to take, this is pair of lines. Now in that angular bisectors means, so this is the pair of angular bisectors. Of angular bisector line. X square minus y square a minus b into xy. So here we have to observe the given lines passing through the origin. Now we have to take the pair of straight lines are ax square plus 2hxy plus by square equal to 0 1. But here we have to discuss in the concept second degree non-homogeneous equation. That means here we have to observe in that these are pair of lines. So does not passing through the origin. Now we have to observe this is the angular bisector lines. This is the angular bisector lines. Now here this value here the combined equation of angular bisectors. The combined equation of angular bisectors. Now here this is the point of intersection of pair of lines, that is alpha beta. That is alpha beta. Now this is alpha beta is the point of intersection of the pair of lines in the equation ax square 2hxy plus by square plus 2x plus 2f plus c equals 0. Now in that alpha beta, consider the point of intersection alpha beta, then the equation of pair of angular bisectors between the given combined equations equals to h into x minus alpha. Here we have to replace whole square minus replace y by y minus beta. Replace y by y minus beta whole square equal to, in that we have to observe a minus b into, we have to replace x by x minus alpha, we have to replace y minus beta. Now this is the pair of angular bisectors between the given equation of pair of intersecting lines is ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. So this is the equation of angular bisector lines. This is the equation of pair of angular bisector lines is h into x minus alpha whole square minus y minus equal to a minus b into x minus alpha into y minus beta. So this is one more important formula. And also the next formula, intercepts of a pair of lines on coordinate axis. Intercepts of a lines on coordinate axis. On intercept of a pair of lines on coordinate axis. Here to find of the intercept made by the pair of lines represent length of the intercept made by the pair of lines. Pair of lines can be taken as x square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy. Now here we have to take the second degree non-homogeneous equation. Here length of the intercept made by the pair of lines on x-axis. We have to take on x-axis. Here we have to take the length of the intercept made by the pair of lines on x-axis. That is square root of g square minus c, 2 into square root of g square minus ac by mod a. This is the length of the intercept. This is the length of the intercept. Length of the intercept made by s equal 0 on x-axis. On x-axis is square root of g square minus ac mod a. Similarly, length of the intercept made by s equal 0 on y-axis is 2 into square root by mod b. Square minus bc by mod b. This is our length of steps made by pair of lines on x-axis is by mod a, on y-axis is 2 into square root of f square minus bc by mod b. These are very, very important. Similarly, the given pair of lines a plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2fy intersect on x-axis. Now these pair of x-axis. Now here we have to observe lines are intersect on x-axis. This is the x equal to 0. That plus 2hxy plus by square x plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. Intersect on x-axis. Then the condition is here we have this square equal to AC and 2fg equal to af square plus ch square. Here the given intersect on x along next condition plus ch square. This intersect on take intersect on y-axis. Here we have to take BC. So f square equal to BC and the formula f gh equal to bg square plus ch square. Bg square plus ch square. Formula. Now here the pair of lines is the condition is g square equal to ac and 2fgh equal to af square plus ch square. Now here the of lines intersect on y-axis. So y-axis intersect cheyamoutundi y square equal to and 2fgh equal to plus ch square. So these are also formulas. Similarly, so formulas now depend on these formulas and more important problems in previous years. Now these are given as Eamcet problem. Continuation x square plus 2gx represents a pair of parallel here in the given pair of lines represents then of C by minus BC equal to by f square Clearly we have to the given equation of a pair of parallel lines pair of straight lines are parallel. We know that condition is g square minus ac plus b is always 2 into square a into b into a plus b. So here we take b into a plus b. Now in the given to find the value of square minus ac by f square minus both 2's are cancelled on both sides and we have to take we write square root of g square minus f square minus bc. In that we have a into a by b into a plus b. b into a plus b. Now here both numerator and denominator a plus b will be cancelled. Then the remaining value is square root of. See the solution for this question. Square root of g square minus ac by f square minus bc equal to square root of a by b. Condition also. Now squaring on both sides. Then we write. Now in that we have to observe bg square minus abc equal to af square minus abc. In that abc will be cancelled. Then we write equal to bg square or f square by g square. F square by equal to or g square by a by b. G square by f square equal to a by b. Now this is one condition. Another condition. This is one more condition. Straight lines represents a pair of parallel lines. Then the condition is 2 into square root of g square minus ac by a plus b equals to 2 into square root of f square minus bc by b into a plus b. Now we have to equating 2 and cancel 2 on both sides and that square root of g square minus ac by f square minus bc value square root of b, and also here we have to take cross multiplication and square side and reduce it to af square equal to bg square. This is one more condition. Similarly in that we have to write f square by g square equal to b by a, f square equal to a by b. These are also very important conditions already given in previous Eamcet papers. So this is the solution for this question. Note down. Next problem. Between parallel lines, here given of pair of straight. In that 47, given equation is x square plus 2 root 2x plus 4x minus 8. This pair of parallel. If represents parallel lines, a pair of parallel lines, then to find lines. Parallel lines. Formula. One of the formula 2 into square root of g square square root of x square minus ac by b into a plus b also. Now in the we have to write substitute the values of g, ac and b. Here we have to take 2g equal to 4. G equal to 2 means 2 square minus minus 8 by a value 1 into 1 plus 2. A into a plus b means 1 into 1 plus 2. 2 into this is 4 plus 8 minus 1 plus 8. 4 plus 8 is 12 into 3. That means 3. 3 1 is 3 4 is 12. So 2 into 4 means 2 into 2. That is 4. That is 4. So this is the given parallel lines. Here also given s equal to 9x square minus 24xy square plus 16y minus 12 equal to 0. Minus 12 equal to 0. Then distance between parallel lines. This is also represents a pair of parallel lines. Then to find distance between parallel lines. Distance between parallel lines equals to, here also we have to take the next formula 2 into square of f square minus bc by b into a plus b. 2 into square root of f value. Now we have to take coefficient of y is 2f. So f is 8. So 8 square means 16 minus b value is 16. 16 into minus 16 into minus 12 whole by b value is 16 into a value is 9 plus 16. It can be simplified. 12 6 ja 72 12 plus 7 19 6 9 6 15 256 by 16 into 25. In that 16, here we have to write 2 into square root 16 by 25. That means in that we have to write. So this is the solution. This is the solution. Similarly, the next problem. Given pair of lines is 8x square minus 24xy plus 18y square minus 6x plus 9y plus 9y minus 5 equal to 0. Here also to find distance between parallel lines. Distance between parallel lines. Now we have to take the formula into square root of g square minus c by a into a plus. Right? We have to substitute. It's 9 minus a value x square coefficient 8 into c value minus 5 whole by a value 8 into a plus b 8 plus 8. Now in that 2 into 8, 40 and 9 40, that means 7. 2 into 5, in that we have 26. This is 26 into 8. 8. Now we have to write 13 into 2 into 8. So 8 to the 16. Now we have to take 16 to square root outside. That is 4 root 13. 2 1 ja 2 2 ja. The value is 7 by 2 root 13. 7 by 2 root 13. This is the solution for this question. Now the next problem. 50. The distance between parallel lines, pair of lines are s equal to x plus 4 root 2 x plus 7y minus 5 0. Pair of lines. Pair of parallel lines. Pair of lines represents pair of lines to find distance between parallel lines. To find distance between parallel lines. Now here also to find distance between parallel lines. Here formula is 2 into square root of g square minus ac plus b. Now substitute the values of g, ac and b. Now here g value means x coefficient is in that first term x square, y square and xy terms contains in the first term, y square and x contains in only x coefficient and y coefficient. Now in that x coefficient is 4 root 2. Now we have to take this is g. Now g value is 2 root 2. G value is 2 root 2. 2 root 2 means root 8. Root 8 whole square means 8. Root 8 whole square means 8 minus a. In the next quotient is 1. So 1 into g value, the constant value. In that constant is not there. In the second term also constant is not there. Only the term. This is the only constant. So we have to take minus 42 whole by a. X square coefficient 1 into 1 plus y square coefficient is 49. Y square coefficient is 49. Now we have to observe 2 into this is plus 42 plus 8. 2 root 50 by also 50. Now these two are cancelled. 2 into the next problem. Here also given the distance, if the distance between parallel lines plus 2xy plus y square minus 8ax minus 8ay minus 9a equal to 0 minus 9a square equal to 0 is 25 into root 2. 25 root 2 units. Then to find A equals to. Here to find the value. Here we have to take the same formula. First of all, to find distance between parallel lines. Distance between parallel lines. Formula is 2 into square root of g square minus ac by into a plus b. That equal to already given the distance is 25 root 2. Now equating the value 25 root 2. Now here we substitute g, a, c and b in that 2 into square root of g square. G square means coefficient of x can be taken as 2g. This is a. G value is minus 4a. So minus 4a whole square means 16a square. G square means minus 4a whole square, that is 16a square. A value is 2, C value is minus 9a square. So now we have to take minus 9a square whole by A value is x square coefficient 1 into a plus b 1, b value is also 1. So 1 plus 1. Now in that equals 25 root 2. Now here we have to observe 2 into square root of 16a square minus 9 plus 9 plus 9 25 square. 25a square. 2 25a square by 2, that is 5 root 2. Now here we have to observe 2 by root 2. Now here 2 can be written as root 2 whole square. 2 can be written as, here also 2. Here 5a square means a 5a 2 5 root 2. In that 5a equal to root 2 into root 2. 25 into 2, that is 50. That is 50. This is 10a. Root into root is 50. To 10 1 10 5 2 5. Now equating the distance parallel lines, that is 25 root 2, and substitute B, A, C of parallel lines and simplify the value of A equals to 5. Now these are some distance between the formula 2 into square root of g square minus ac by a into a plus or 2 into square root of x square minus bc by b into a plus b. So we have to take one of that formula and simplifying the values, then we get the parallel lines. These are all same model problems. Now we have a notebook. Here the next problem. Continuation. 52nd problem. Distances. The product of perpendicular distances from the to the pair of straight lines that lines are x square plus 25x plus 4 plus 10x plus 11 plus 2 equal. Here to find product of perpendiculars from the point here already discussed the formula. Now the product of perpendicular distances from to origin to plus 2hxy 2x plus 2fy is here general we have to take the product of perpendicular is D. So mod C by square A minus B whole of A minus B whole square. Now here we have to take A equal to 25. Similarly, B equal to 12. Now here in that we have to substitute the values. So here C value is 2. Now mod 2 by A minus B, 12 minus 12. So 25 square means 65. Now this is 2, this is 0, 12 minus 12. Now the value is 2 by 5. This is the product of perpendiculars from the point origin to the. Similarly, the next problem. The product of perpendiculars from the point 1 2 to the pair of lines 2x square minus 13xy minus 7y square plus 41 minus 52 equal to 0. Here to find product of perpendicular distance from the point minus 1 2. Now similarly here also we have to take the perpendicular distance from the point alpha beta. Here we take alpha beta. The value is modulus of. Here we substitute x and y can be replaced by alpha and beta. Alpha square plus 2h alpha beta plus 2f beta plus c whole by square root of minus b whole square plus square. We have to substitute the point alpha beta equals to minus 1 and 2 in that formula. The given pair of line is 2x square minus 13xy minus. So 2 into alpha value is minus 1. whole square plus 2h, that means minus into minus 1 into plus b, that means minus 7y square, minus 7 into 2 square, 2 into minus 1 plus 41 into 2 minus 52. This is the numerator value. Now we have to take in the denominator is square root of a minus b. A minus b means a value is 2, b value is minus 7. So 2 minus of minus 7 plus 7 whole square plus 2h value is minus 13. So minus 13 whole square is 28. So 28 minus 7 into 2 square, minus 7 into 4. Now we have to write in that also. This is 2 plus 26 minus 7 4 ja 28. In that this is minus 22. In that this is plus 84. 41 into 2 is 84 minus 52. Followed by, in that 2 plus 7 is 9. 9 square means 81 plus 169. 81 plus 169 square root of. Now here we have to take 26 plus 28 minus 28 will be cancelled. 84, this is 52, 22, 54, 74. 84 minus 74. So this is 84. So sorry, 41 into 2, 82. 41 into 82. So this is 82. In that minus 22 minus 52 minus 74. So 74. Subtract 74 subtract from 82, that is 8. So 8 by, in that 169, 170, 170 plus 80, 250. Now 8 by square root 250. In that 8 by, this value is can be taken as 25 into 10. Now we write 5 root 10. 5 root 10. So 8 by 5 root 10 is the solution. Here also we write 2 into 4. Now we write root 5 into root 2. So the final value is 8 by 5 root 10. This is the solution. So these are based on the formula product of perpendicular distance from the given point to the given pair of lines. So this is origin. Here we take origin. Now the formula is mod c by square root of a whole square plus 4 square. In that we have to take the point is alpha beta. Now we have to take the point is alpha beta. The formula is modulus a alpha square plus 2h alpha beta plus b beta square plus 2g alpha plus 2f beta plus c by square root of a minus whole square plus 4h square. So these are the solutions for this type of problems. Write down these problems. Now the next problem. Here, to solve the problems based on the formula, intercepts made by the pair of lines on x-axis and y-axis. Now the first problem. The intercept made by the pair of lines. The intercept made by the pair of lines. The intercept made by the pair of lines 6x square minus 7xy minus 3y square minus 24x minus 3y plus 18 equal to 0 on the x-axis. On the x-axis. On the x-axis. Here, already discussed the formulas. The intercepts made by the pair of lines ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equals 0 on the x-axis. So, length of the intercept made by s equals 0 on x-axis is 2 into square root of g square minus ac, 2 into square root of g square minus ac by mod, 2 into square root of g square minus ac by mod a. Now in that we have to take 2 into square root of g square. Coefficient of x is minus 24. This is equals to 2g. Now g value is minus 12. Minus 12 square means 144. Minus a value 6 into c value 18. C value is 18. So 18 6 is 108. 144 minus 108, that is 36 by mod a. Mod a means coefficient of x square is 6, mod 6. So 2 into square root 6. So this is 2 into 6 by 6. 6 cancel. The value of length of the intercept made by the given pair of lines on x-axis is 2. Similarly, in the same problem we have to take y-axis also. Length of the intercept made by the given pair of lines s equals 0 on y-axis. On y-axis is 2 into square root of f square minus bc by mod b. Now here we have to take 2 into square root of f square. In that f square, so 2f equal to minus 3. F square is, f is 3 minus 3 by 2. Now we write 9 by 4. 9 by 4 minus b value, minus of minus 3 plus 3 into 18. C value is 18. Whole by mod b. Mod b means mod minus 3. Now here this is 54. 18 3 ja 54. 54 into 4. 4 4 ja 16. 4 5 ja 20. So 216. 216 plus 9. So 9 plus 216 by 4. That is 2 into square root of by 3. Now here we write 2 by 3 into, this is 225. 225 means 15. Square root of 225 means 15. Square root of 4 means 2. Now here 2 cancel. 3 1 ja, 3 5 ja. The distance is, the length of the intercept made by the given pair of lines on y-axis 5, on x-axis 2. So these are also very, very important problems. Note down this problem.